Every civil service aspirants might be wondering what to fill in the hobby section in your DAF. Since the interviewer may ask you questions from your hobby, you have to be very careful while filling it. Don't ask anyone or your friends what to write as your hobby. It is your hobby. No one knows you better than you. Just admit your real hobby, whatever it is, whether it is playing video games or sports. Your hobby doesn't necessarily have to be reading books and writing articles. You don't need to show off you as being a nerd or a bookworm. Be yourself. Being truthful while filling DAF is very advisable. If you fill anything which is not exactly your hobby, you will be put in a situation which is embarrassing when the interviewer asks you questions in your fake hobby and you don't know the answer. Interviewers are very talented and have interacted with lots of candidates, so don't try to fool them with fake hobbies. And also be specific in mentioning your hobbies. If you have mentioned cooking in your DAF and the interviewer is asking what is your favorite Italian food and you have no clue about exotic cuisine, it will be really unimpressive. So mention your hobby specific, like cooking Indian cuisine or cooking South Indian cuisine, like that. And also no famous personalities in your hobbies. For example, if you have mentioned dancing as your hobby, there will be a huge possibility for the interviewer to ask who is your favorite dancer in India. So be prepared for these type of questions from your hobbies. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe.